Hello, my name is Maack, and I have been tasked to implement a mechanic designed by one of my peers into Tournament. This first level is my original mechanic design, which is the stair tile, which allows your character to access a different part of the map. So in the second level, I have brought the stone clone, originally designed by Gregory Warwick. And if we hit Q, we could swap between stone character and the player character. The stone character, when it moves, uses its own stamina bar, and then when it falls into a pit, it creates a floor. This allows the player to access the end of the level. In the final iteration, I will be combining both mechanics. We have our stairs. Swap over to our stone guy here. Now to get the functions of the new mechanic, make some changes. Okay, so start off in the player. We had to implement a character swap action. This allows us to possess Stone Clone. Here we get references to our player controller and then get actors of our Stone character. I chose all actors so that way it was an array, so that way I could use multiple clones. And then this handles the actual possession of the stone clone. And here we check if our current index is at our a max set amount. Um, if you're going to put more clones in, you change this to that number, and we'll increment it. And then if it is at the max index, then we just set it back to zero to start over. One thing that I changed was I added an indicator to show which character was active. Um, that is all handled right here in the event tick. When the controlled pawn is active, it shows the arrow, and the controlled pawn, or when a pawn is not controlled, it just hides the arrow. And to make some changes within the pit, this is what handles the mechanic of turning the pit into a floor. You're just casting to the stone character, and then it's the stone character that falls into the pit. We just turn it into a tile floor. Now, we didn't want the stone character to be able to finish the level, so in the wind tile, we just added this right here, is player condition, and if that's true, then you win. In the stone character, we use here's where we set our is player pulse, and then we also have our event tick for the indicator to show you the active player, and then this gets reference to your player controller and the player character, and then we have our swap event, swap input just to swap to that, and that is Stone Clone iterated by Maack.